wanted to share with you within this tutorial is to discuss the process flow we applied in the clean room environment Mikronova Otanana, which is a part of Finland's national research infrastructure for micro and nanotechnology. So going through the direct steps, just notice that these are very commonly applied design procedure for the microphotolithography. And at the end of the day, some particular steps should be very accurately tuned in order to get the best quality of the realized structure. So we start with the initial cleaning of our wafer, put it to acetone, isopropanol, and then rinse it with distilled water for half a minute each step, and then dry it with air gun. After that, we put our clean quartz wafer to HMDS oven to apply better coverage and adhesion between the oxides and resists. So this takes about 20-25 minutes, and then we are ready to distribute the photoresist over the surface of our clean wafer. We used AZ5214E photoresist and spin it with the standard receipt for this kind of photoresist with 4,000 rounds per meter during 30 seconds. After that, we put our prepared sample and the photo masks we ordered from the external manufacturer to the mask aligner machine and exposure it during 2.3 seconds in the regime of hard contact. Then this is almost done about this photolithography because we take the exposured sample, put it to the developer for 45 seconds, and after that we rinse it to stop the chemical process with the distilled water and dry. After that we go to the electric beam lithography step and exposure 5 nanometers of titanium and 200 nanometers of gold to both top and bottom surfaces of our sample. And then after short preparation during several hours in acetone to melt the undesired parts of the surface pattern, we put the sample to ultrasonic for 15 to 25 minutes and get our final realized structure with the desired metal pattern. Just to note that many different aspects were tuned during preparation of this procedure. For example, how long the structure should be exposed with ultraviolet, how many seconds should be spent in developer, how long you should keep your sample in acetone, because it is quite difficult using this technology to achieve a very good printed area over all the sample surface, but some areas are still destroyed, so several attempts were used to conclude with the best printed pattern. Then we take our samples to validate their functionality. So this is just a photo of the several realized samples, and in particular these 3 samples were later given to our partners in Ariadne to be utilized in the next steps to prepare the demonstrator. Please follow the updates of our activities at the website of Ariadne project. Thank you very much.